What is this crazy elf up to? Found some snow. That's cute.
Walked all the way over here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I was just talking about how all the snow melted and we weren't supposed to have snow for at least a week when I checked last. There's a lot of snow this morning. It might not look like a lot, but it was crazy. Craziness. Taking the kids to school. I didn't go on a single road that didn't have people off of it that had slid off or people that had slid into each other. It just took me like 45 minutes taking the kids to school and getting back. It was insane. And hopefully everyone's okay. And nothing looked serious. It just looked like it just looked like people had slid off the road and just slid into each other. So nothing looked scary, but holy cow. Every single road. Look how cute Jack is. Now I'm just hoping it all clears up by the time I have to go pick the kids up because I was scared. I was like, please, don't let me slide off the road. I am so happy though that it's snowing. I was really hoping that there would be snow when Braylee gets home. So hopefully the snow stays, doesn't melt. Maybe we get a little bit more because I just thought that would be fun for Braylee to come home to snow. 1 week, guys. 1 week and she'll be home. We're now counting days instead of weeks or months. How do we keep forgetting about the tree? Oh, that was the wrong way. Good job. We forgot about a picture yesterday. But I did take a cute picture of Layla, so I'm going to print it. I'm failing at this. And we cannot forget to take a picture tonight.
At least Jack helped us.
Yeah, and then I did take that cute picture of you. What were you doing? Show us. Cutie. Hi, Rosie. I just wondering where you were. You want to go outside?
Whoa, she does stand
like... Whoa, careful. What is this mess Gage left us? The Velcro on the sleeve of the coat he's wearing was coming off, and I told him where to find my sewing kit, and he couldn't find it. What the... I think he broke that. He was trying to thread this on Gage. So he stapled it, but this is an upholstery stapler, but he did use that. And then he just left it. Thanks a lot, Gage. He just stapled it on. Where were we supposed to be tonight?
My program.
Layla had a Christmas program that was canceled because of the weather. The weather is not great today. The roads were a little scary.
Guess what? There was only like 8 people left because so much people went home.
Everyone left early?
Yes,
Yeah.
a bunch of people.
Were you wishing that you would have?
No.
Okay, good. Okay, we're doing Layla's nails. We haven't done them for a while.
As you've seen, I got bored, so it's a lot.
Well, not okay.
Well, one chipped, and I was like, oh, that
Yeah.
just looks bad together. So
It was a long
I'll go
time.
off.
We haven't done nails for a while. So
Yeah.
what are we doing? What are we doing for Christmas nails this time?
Maybe snowman.
Maybe some snowman. What colors?
So like, I just want like the snowman to be the middle finger.
Okay, we're doing red.
Yeah, red.
What green? That green?
Green.
White.
Ooh, I think
Wait.
this would be a pretty green.
Is that white?
Yeah. Wait, I'll check.
That looks like gray. Does it?
Oh, yeah, that's white.
Oh yeah, that's white. Okay. And then you want these blue sparkles over the white?
Yeah.
For like snow?
Yeah.
Cute. Okay. Let's do it, dude.
Dude.
I just have this little gel set. It's actually just from Amazon. Well, I have 2 of them right here.
Yeah.
Don't mind. I have crafts and nail stuff just always going on up here. I have 2 of them, and I have love these little kits. They have so many cute colors. I'll leave them linked in case you're looking for something like this. Easy to use, cute colors. This one's actually not one of them.
Well.
And super inexpensive. All right, girlfriend, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, show you once and they're done. Big surprise, I ended up just feeling so sick. Starting in the afternoon, and I just still don't feel that good. But I've been promising Layla that we'd get her nails done, and I have a few things to do. We're actually going to Salt Lake tomorrow to go to Gage's lacrosse games.
Is it outside?
No, they're not outside, thank goodness. I would
Wait,
never.
can you eat in there?
No, it's the same place.
Oh,
Same place. And my sister Markella and her wife Jess and my brother Hayden, they're all going. So I'm so excited. It's going to be so good to see them. And then after that, on our way back, we're stopping and my mom's family, like her brothers and sisters, are all having a Christmas party. So we're gonna stop by that and I get to see some of my cousins that I haven't seen for a long time. Oh, I'm turning the light on. And aunts and uncles, so I'm really excited for tomorrow.
I didn't know about that.
But I need to get some stuff done. I just feel nauseous. It is what it is and it's fine. I've taken medicine, but it's okay.
I love this green much better.
Well, you can use that green. You want to do that one?
Yeah.
That's kind of like a bluish green.
I love that green.
Yeah, I actually really love that too. I mean, it's more blue, but it's really
But I
pretty.
just love the color. Like, it reminds me of my puzzle that I did today.
And I love your Christmas jammies.
That was too comfy.
They're from last year. Where did I get those?
Oh, for the Polar Express.
I know, but I can't remember where I ordered them. Maybe Target. I can't remember. Maybe Target, Walmart. I don't know. I actually ordered Christmas jammies a month ago from Old Navy and they're not here yet. And I'm getting a little concerned. We're not going to have Christmas jammies. Just kidding. I'll figure it out.
Or you could get me a robe.
Oh, a robe?
I really want a robe.
Okay, I talked about how I wanted to show some crafts throughout the month, and I have done some cute crafts. This is a little garland that I'm working on for Layla, and I'm going to show you guys how I made it next week, because I just think it's going to be so adorable. I know it's like a little bit different, and it's maybe not for everyone, but I just think that's going to be so cute in her bedroom. Do you like it?
Yeah, but those will go better on my nails.
Got some sparkles like that on your nails. And I've been working on like these little ornaments to go on Christmas gifts. I just think that they're so cute. I did them last year.
Yeah.
And even like these together.
Oh, that's
so
no,
cute.
I was just gonna say that for my garland.
And there's a red and white one.
I love that one. That looks like a mint donut.
It looks like what?
A mint donut.
A mint donut?
Yeah.
These have just been fun to
And
work on.
this one.
Just full of
Fun
fun
stuff.
things.
Can you put this on my Christmas present?
You got it. You got it, dude. Okay, so your nails.
Okay, yeah.
Do you like your nails?
Yeah.
You're so cute. We did a little, oh, you can't really see if we did a little snowman. And then she has a Christmas tree in here.
Yeah.
Just some gel. I'm not the best at nail art, but a snowman's pretty easy.
He looks like a hip hop snowman.
A hip hop snowman. And then there's a cute little Christmas tree. Cutie cute. Oh, wow. Yeah, let's see it. You're going to see the Christmas tree very good. There's the Christmas tree.
I need it to my neck.
Cute colors. I love it. You're so happy to have your nails back on. Okay, cute Christmas nails, girl. You're ready now.
I'm ready for Christmas. I feel so toasty and I'm just ready for Christmas.
You're hilarious.
I love that clapping. It follows the beat. I like that.